What if your next RPG adventure could earn you real rewards, shape a living world, and unleash endless customizations, all in one true sandbox MMORPG? Well, the revolution is here, and guess what? It is free. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so welcome back, as stated, to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as Raven Quest. We're talking about a true sandbox MMORPG where your legacy shapes a dynamically changing world. I'm telling you guys right now, there's a lot here. So scroll down, you guys will see that they have this little video. You're more than welcome to dive down into this. It's going to be very important. If we continue just a little bit further, you guys will see right here, we have some important bonuses. Okay. Taking a look, we have what is known as the free Raven pack. So you can see right there, 10. This is technically a $20 value. They even have a bandit companion. And then we even have an exclusive title. Okay. I'll scroll it down. You guys will see it right here. This is literally where most of the detail is. So you guys, we're talking about unique archetypes. Not only that, but also classes. So we're talking about 8+ archetypes. They have archery. They got like holy. They got shadow. Not only that, but they have this with hybrid class customization. They got like Dread Knight. They even have a Shadow Striker and more. Okay. So you guys, this is a play to earn, as mentioned, right? And their economy, it is awesome. Okay. So obviously we got skill-based rewards, crafting, gathering, and arena battles, build tradable assets. They got free perks, so newsletter signups, unlock exclusive companions. Not only that, but also Discord badges. And then NFT integration. Well, yes, we got more to find out. You guys definitely need to check out the links down below. But if we take a look here, you guys, you'll see it right here. Kind of mentions we got guild wars, all right, and arenas. So they do have epic battles for dominance and unique rewards. So you guys will see right here, we got another one, right? We got skill-based crafting and gathering. We even got arena, solo, and duo. And then over here, you guys will see they have the world. Okay, there's many different ones. We even got claim and grow your own land. Okay, we got house customization. We got ships and wagons. And for the economy, we got free to play. We got player-driven economy, rewarding community first, and an advanced anti-cheat systems. And then down here, we got collectibles, unlock rare cosmetics, companions, as we've already briefly mentioned, right? And we even have deep land customization, along with collect Raven cards. I like that a lot, you guys. Okay. And then they even have professions. So husbandry, they got farming, animal taming for in-game economy. Okay. You guys will actually see right here a feature, a rich game. Okay. So it's actually really cool. I have to admit, I do like this. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys go through this, right? As stated, the links are going to be down below. So there's going to be a lot of stuff here. So listen, you guys, if the world evolves based on, say, player actions, you guys, we're talking about this being AI. Not only that, but world dynamics, which was great. All right. Scrolling down, another little video. You guys will see right here. Once again, we have like the characters. So if you just kind of start here, you guys will see archery. We got holy. Once again, we got protection. We got the shadow. We got spiritual. We got warfare. We got witchcraft. We got wizardry. Right. And then we got play your way. All right. So just go ahead and break it down for the roadmap and say like their community, guys, current phase, beta, launch, status, right? Not only that, you guys, you can definitely dive down into the news section. Okay, you can actually go right up here, and that's going to be very important. You guys will see that, okay, which is good. Not only that, future plans, we're talking about cross-platform support, expansions, or partnerships. And then you guys, we got a vibrant community. They literally have over like 230K plus adventures. All right. That's going to be very important, especially whenever it comes to say their leaderboard. All right. But also their social media. You guys will see that right here. Okay. There's a lot of people here. Okay. A massive community. And that is what we like. I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this if possible. You'll see right here that they do have their socials, and we'll dive down into those here in just a few moments. So I will go ahead and tell you guys right now, whenever it comes to this, the gameplay, I mean, it runs on low end PCs. So we're talking about minimum specs, right? GTX 1050 Ti. And we got media recognition. They got awards, badges. Obviously, this is all showcased here on the website. And then I want you guys to understand, whenever it comes to the FAQ teaser, they got a release video. Once again, player versus player versus everyone focus. All right. And everything is directly here on the website. I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this. Let me know exactly what you guys think. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome, in my opinion. Once again, all the socials are going to be right here, but you guys will see that they do have a Twitter. So you definitely want to show some love here. You want to make sure that you're actually following them, okay? To show your appreciation, which is good. And then stay updated, obviously. And then you guys will see right here, they do have a Discord. You can check that out. And then we got another link right here that literally has everything. So like Discord, create account, Twitter, a whole bunch of stuff. All right. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this. As mentioned, links are going to be down below. Okay, so if you guys will, be sure to let me know, what did you think about the project? Me personally, I think it sounds like a lot of fun. I think there's a lot of opportunity. Not only that, rewards above rewards. Okay, so check out the links down below. More importantly, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and just leave some comments. We'll see you in the next video.